Hi, I'm Polly Markus, otherwise known as Miss Polly's Kitchen, and I'm so excited to be an Espresso tastemaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Miami key lime pie, which is inspired by the limited edition Miami Espresso, which has just been added to the World Explorations range. Blitz the biscuits together into a fine crumb and then add the melted butter. Grease a 24cm loose based quiche tin, then add the biscuits and press the crumb firmly into the base of the tin and up the sides. Bake for 10 minutes, remove and then let it cool. Whilst the crust is baking, whisk together the eggs, then the condensed milk, adding the lime zest and lime juice. Continue to whisk for a couple of minutes. Pour the lime filling into the cooled base and then place it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Let it cool on a wire rack and then leave in the fridge for at least 3 hours. When you're ready to serve, whisk together the cream and the icing sugar, then spoon this over the top of the pie and garnish with extra lime zest. Serve it with a cup of Miami Espresso and you have got yourself the perfect pairing.